It is day 2 in Vancouver and we're heading to one of the most biggest and best aquariums in Canada. Here you will witness over 65,000 animals in the 30 exhibits and galleries. You can find marine life from everywhere, from the tropics to the artic, from the most vibrant to the exotic, from the smallest fish to the largest predator, from reptiles to amphibians. This is Andrew and come and explore with me the Vancouver Aquarium. So day 2 in Vancouver, we're headed off to Stanley Park, see the aquarium and hopefully cycle around. So let's see what we can do. The Vancouver Aquarium is located in Stanley Park. To get there, we took the SkyTrain and then a bus. We booked our tickets in advance, which allowed us a quick entry. The aquarium is home to thousands of remarkable ocean species and incredible aquatic life. It is not only a major tourist attraction, but also a center for marine research, ocean education, and marine animal recovery. The aquarium will give both adults and children an amazing opportunity to discover more about the diverse and stunning marine life here in Canada and the world. You will find some of the most vibrant life and some which come out of nowhere and want to specifically be in your camera shot. You will also come across some fish that you never knew existed or have seen before. And of course, you will recognize some from the most famous movies. At this aquarium, you will see some of the smallest and harmless fish to the largest marine predators. You will also come across many brightly glowing jellyfish of all sizes. And don't miss to get close with the sea lions.
Crossword puzzles. I absolutely love them. Such a thrill to be experiencing. So does anybody?
The aquarium also showcases reptiles and amphibians, from the most vibrant ones to those which camouflage and you need to find them. That was it from the aquarium. Stay tuned for the next video as we cycle around the seawall.